Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and in this video we will revise chapter 1 parts of computer and the chapter 2 hardware and software. Before starting the point, first we have to know about the computer. Computer is an electronic device which accepts the data, processes the data, gives us desired output. A computer performs the following function. Input, accepts the input from the user. Processing, process the data according to the input. And output, that means it displays the processed information. Storage, it can store data for the longer period of time. Nowadays, computer is using in almost every field, whether that is the office, railway station, yet for the scientific purpose, for the ticket reservation, everywhere nowadays computer is working. Now we will know the parts of computer. First we see keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. These keys are divided into 5 categories: typing keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, and the numeric keypad. Now the monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It is the most commonly used output device. When we talk about the monitor, it is of 3 types: CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diode. CRT was using in earlier time. It was very big inside and using huge amount of electricity. But the advancement of technology, LCD and LED is introduced, and nowadays LED is using because it uses less amount of electricity and it is not affecting our eyes. Now we will know CPU. CPU is called the processing unit. It is the brain of computer, controls overall processing and operation of the computer system. There are 3 parts of CPU: control unit, ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, and MU, memory unit. Now we will see features of computer. That means characteristics of computer. Why do we use it? Speed. Computer works with very high speed. Reliability. That means it is a reliable source. It is a reliable source where we rely for any kind of information. Versatility. Versatility, that means ability to perform multiple work at the same time. That is called versatile feature. Accuracy. Accuracy means the output given by the computer is always 100% correct. If it is showing the wrong output, that means it must be the error of the user, not the computer. Multitasking. Multitasking, that means a single device is able to perform multiple tasks. That means using the single computer, we can type letter, we can listen music, we can do net surfing, we can do drawing, we can take classes, everything. That is called multitasking. Now the drawback of computer. Zero IQ. IQ stands for intelligent quotient. Computer is an electronic machine. It is a machine. It is a non-living thing, so it has no IQ. Dependence on electricity. It is an electronic device. It works using the electricity. In the lack of electricity, your system will be shut down and all the work will be closed. Now the physical parts of computer that we can touch or see is called hardware. The hardware is divided into different categories. Input devices. When we talk about the input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera, microphone, joystick, light pen. These are the category of input devices. It is used to enter the instructions to the computer system. Now we see output devices. Monitor. Monitor is used to display the processed information on the screen. And the processed information displayed on the screen is called soft copy. Now the printer. Printer is an output device that display the output on a paper. When we have to take the printout, we use the printer. And that is called the hard copy. That means the output displayed on the paper, that is called hard copy. Speaker. Speaker is also an output device because it is used to listen the sound from the computer system. Now storage devices. CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive, these are called storage devices. That means it has ability to store data for the longer period of time. Where hard disk is stored inside the CPU. It is a secondary storage device of our computer system. Pen drive is the portable device. We can easily carry it from one place to another place and can transfer the data from one computer to another computer. Now the software. Software is the part of computer that cannot be touched. Two types of software: system software and application software. System software is essential for the computer system. All the computer works with the help of system software. It is also called operating system. And the best example you can see Windows. When we start any computer, we have seen that it having the Windows software. That is called the system software or the operating system. Now the application software. Application software we use according to our requirement. When we have to type the document, we use the word processing software. When we have to create the presentation, we use the presentation software like MS PowerPoint. Spreadsheet software is used for calculation like the MS Excel. Multimedia software is used to create the multimedia content like the Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker. Graphics software. Graphics software is used to draw the pictures, drawing, and the example is MS Paint. Desktop publishing, that means using that we combine the text and image. And its example you can see CorelDRAW. Now at last some questions are given and you girls have to write all the questions in your copy and learn the answer. What are different parts of CPU? Next, 2 features of computer. Mention 4 uses of computer in different fields. Which input device is known as pointing device? Which device is used to hear the sound from the computer? Name the program used for performing calculation. What do you mean by hard copy and the soft copy? Which monitor uses less amount of electricity? How many keys in a standard keyboard? What is the full form of IPO? Input. Sorry. Thank you.